Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mamoona Maqbool from city Gojra. I graduated from GC University Faisalabad. I started my career last 2 years ago as a virtual assistant of Amazon and then started to learn SEO. Today I will share my working journey with you, that how you can make yourself independent, brave and productive part of the society. I just wanted to make my own legacy on my own behalf. Then I plan how to start a business. As you can see that I am a female and female has to face a lot of problems in our society. So I planned how a women can make their productive role in the society at their home level. Alhamdulillah, I have my own company by the name of Nutrioleum that is based on organic and pure oils, especially the cooking oil in which you can cook your food, your meal to maintain your health. As you can see in this video, this is the first product of my company. This is best canola oil for the cooking purpose. This is not easy for a female how to make their legacy. In this journey, I have to face a lot of problems, but Alhamdulillah, I'm the luckiest one. Allah blessed me such relations who supports me 100%, in which my father, my brother, and one of the best, my teacher, he always helps me how to tackle things, how to make a productive part of society, how to manage the things, how to make the strategies of business, how each and everything he supports me. He teach me how to face hardships, how to tackle things, how to convert your pain into strength. Alhamdulillah, I have cope up all these hardships, all these pains, and convert all these things into the strength. And now you can see the power of a female, how she can do a business at their home. At the end, this is my message to all those women, all those females, all those girls who are watching me at their home. My message is that many times my teacher said to me, just believe in yourself and never make yourself dependent, and then the sky is limit. At the end, I pray to my father, my mentor, my teacher, and my brothers, and the prayers of my mothers. Alhamdulillah, they are supporting me, and I am here. You can see the legacy of myself, and Alhamdulillah, I am independent. And you can also follow the all instructions and the rules of Islamic law, how a woman can make their legacy at home. Alhamdulillah, as you all know that Hazrat Khadija Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha is the best ever business woman at that time, and I am following the way of Hazrat Khadija, how we can set up our business, how we can make our own legacy. My teacher's motto and my motto is that just believe in yourself and never make yourself dependent to others, and the sky is limit, as you can see. Thank you so much for your precious time.